Hello everyone, let's take a shell of walnut, fill it with the clay and add some more clay like this around it. A turtle is ready, it is looking so cute. Make the eyes using the marker. Now take the eggshell, fill it with the tissue like this, pour some water into it. A push me down toy is ready. Again take a circular paper, now make a cone and stick it on the top of the shell. Take some clay and make the pearls like this over the cap of the egg. Make the eyes and mouth and some blush. Such a cute push me down toy is ready. Now take a piece of paper, cut it like this. A flower is ready. Make more of them. And now take a black strip and hold it like this. Now stick it into the center of the flower. It is looking like a sunflower. It is really beautiful. Make many of the cones. Now using the chart paper, make this kind of structure. It is a leaf. Such beautiful leaves are these. Now sew them together into wires, make a moon and stick them together on the moon. Stick the flowers on the moon. Wow, such a beautiful wall hanging it is. Now take a bottle cap and make the shape like this. Now make a Santa cap and the eyes and mouth of the snowman at the muffler. It looks so cute. Wow. Now take the clay and fill the bottle cap with it and stick the snowman to it. Now take a balloon and fill it with the powder like this. Use the pencil for filling it. Now tie the balloon and make mouth and eyes on it. Such a satisfying toy is ready. Again, take a piece of paper and cut out the feathers and crown like this. Take a glove, make the face of the hen. Now stick the feathers on the four fingers of the glove. Take a cup, make the bowl and tie it like this. Take a straw and fill the air into it. Wow! Now take a white sheet of paper, fold it like this as shown in the picture and make the markings, cut it out and you will see the snowmen are standing in a circle. Now take these leaves and color them like this, like the wings of the butterfly. Wow! Thanks for watching.